Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Simple and Best English, where learning English stays simple and gets better every day. I am Rose.
Hello, Rose. And hello to all our wonderful learners around the world. It is so good to be here with you today.
It is great to see you too, James. Dear learners, to help you learn how to express happy feelings in daily conversations, we have created a series with 4 videos, and this is video 1 of the series.
That is right, Rose. We planned this series to help learners use happy expressions naturally in real conversations.
Yes, exactly. Together, these videos will help you to express happiness clearly, naturally, and confidently. Today, we will practice phrases for 3 common situations.
That's right. And when you learn how to share happiness clearly, your conversations feel warmer and more natural.
That is so true, James. When you share how you feel, people understand you more easily, and they connect with your feelings, not just your words.
Exactly. And that is why this series is important.
So stay with us until the end of the series to practice useful sentences you can use in your daily life.
First, we use the word happy when something makes us feel good.
Yes, James. Happy is a good feeling.
Rose, before we look at examples, what does happy really mean?
That is a great question, James. Happy is a good feeling inside your heart and your body. When you feel happy, you may smile more, laugh easily, and feel calm and relaxed.
So it is not just a word. It is something we can feel and also see.
Absolutely. People can often see happiness on your face and hear it in your voice.
That is right. Before we move to the next part, just a small reminder. First, listen carefully. Then repeat after me when I ask you to.
And you can also follow the subtitles on the screen as you listen. This helps you learn new words and understand the sentences better. Let's begin.
First, let's learn how to express happiness. When you meet someone you know, it is natural to show that you are happy to see them. How can we say this, Rose?
There are a few simple and natural ways, James. For example, you can say, "I am so happy to see you."
Repeat after me. I am so happy to see you.
You can also say, "It is great to see you."
Repeat after me. It is great to see you.
Another very common and natural way is, "Glad to see you."
Repeat after me. Glad to see you. Good.
James, so what are the 3 phrases again that we learned in this section?
They are, I am so happy to see you. It is great to see you. And glad to see you.
Well done. Learners, try using one of these today.
Now, let's learn how to talk about happiness. When we notice it in other people.
Sure.
Rose, sometimes we can see that someone feels happy.
That's right, James. Happiness is easy to notice.
What can we say when we see someone who looks happy?
We can say, "You look so happy today."
Repeat after me. You look so happy today. This is very natural English.
You can also say, "You look really happy."
Repeat after me. You look really happy.
Or even, "You look happy today."
Repeat after me. You look happy today. We use these sentences when we notice happiness on someone's face or in their behavior.
Yes, these phrases are friendly and show that you care.
Sometimes, when we know the person well, we can ask a follow-up question.
That's right, James. It helps the conversation feel more natural. For example, you can say, "You look so happy today. Any good news?"
Repeat after me. You look so happy today. Any good news? Repeat after me. You look so happy today. Any good news? This sounds friendly and natural with people you know.
Absolutely. It shows interest and invites the person to share their happiness. Here is a common idiom. You look over the moon. Any good news?
Repeat after me. You look over the moon. Any good news? Repeat after me. You look over the moon. Any good news? Wow, that is a good one.
Over the moon means extremely happy. It means you look very happy.
That's right.
James, so what are the 4 phrases again that we learned in this section?
They are, you look so happy today. You look really happy. You look happy today. And, you look over the moon.
Nice work, everyone.
Now, let's learn how to share your own happy news.
Sure, James. Let's look at some examples together.
Yes, Rose. But before that, just a small reminder. Please repeat when I ask you to. This helps train your speaking muscles. And when you say the sentences out loud, you build confidence to use them in real conversations.
That is correct. Repeating helps us speak better. Let's learn how to share your own happy news. Very often, we say, "I am so happy," and then we add the reason.
That's right. We say, I am so happy, and then explain why we feel happy.
Yes, exactly.
Now imagine someone gets a job. How can they say this?
They can say, I am so happy I got the job.
Repeat after me. I am so happy I got the job. That sounds very natural. What if someone passed an exam?
They can say, I am so happy I passed the exam.
Repeat after me. I am so happy I passed the exam. That works very well. And what if they finish their work?
They can say, I am so happy I finished my work.
Exactly. I am so happy I finished my work. Now repeat after me. I am so happy I finished my work. So now we know how to talk about our own happiness.
Yes, very good, everyone. James, can we quickly remind everyone how to use this pattern?
Sure. First you say, I am so happy. And then you add the reason. For example, I am so happy I got the job. I am so happy I passed the exam. And I am so happy I finished my work.
Excellent work, everyone. Today, you learned very useful phrases to express happiness in 3 common real-life situations.
We encourage you to write them down. Practice saying them out loud. And use them in your daily conversations.
And join us in video 2 to learn how to respond to good news and to express happiness when others share good news.
Before we finish, we have one small request. If you enjoy learning with us, please like this video and subscribe to Simple and Best English so we can keep growing together.
Thank you for joining us to learn, grow, and shine. Bye for now.
Bye, everyone.